if your iPhone is stuck on the wrong time zone or won't update automatically. Here's how to fix it fast. Make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. First, go to Settings, then tap General, then tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If it's already on but not updating, turn it off, then back on again. Next, go back to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Scroll down and tap System Services. Make sure Setting Time Zone is turned on. Now, restart your iPhone to refresh the settings. Still stuck? Try turning on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turning it off. This helps reset your location signal. Also, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular, as your iPhone uses network data to detect time zones. If your time zone finally updated, hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy iPhone fixes.